You can connect wired devices, such as a TV or a streamer, to output audio through the IA40-3 amplifier. You can connect the IA40-3 to output sound from your TV using a digital optical cable. Connect the cable to the digital optical terminal on your TV, and then to the digital optical input on the amplifier. Set this switch on the amplifier to optical. On your TV, you'll need to set the audio output to digital optical out. On some TVs, this may happen automatically. You can connect any device using a 3.5mm jack to the amplifier, such as a streamer or a laptop. Use a 3.5mm jack cable from the amplifier to your device. Then set this switch on the amplifier to analog